Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing Laidanyou.com, and the one we're going to be reviewing today is these glasses. But before we get into that, I get messages daily from you guys asking how do I do this research so fast. So my guide shows you how to do this investigation yourself in just a few minutes. So what you can do is actually check the description down below for the link, and with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see, we have it pulled up here on their website. These are the glasses that they have. They have a free trial. I don't know how that's supposed to work. So this is an anti-blue light multi-focus color changing reading glasses. So if you click on here, you can actually choose the color and the size. However, you can actually choose the grade of the glasses, of the lens. So that's one thing to take note. As you can see, if you're wondering if this product is actually legit, we have it here in Trustpilot and see that they are rated a disappointing 1.9 out of 5 stars. So actually that's rated poor with 21 reviews. So let's read the reviews here. They cannot be trusted. Scam. Avoid them at all costs. This company is a complete scam. Scam company takes your money then disappears. Apologize, they sent me cameras. This is a scam. Don't buy anything from them. I bought 2 spy cameras that cost me $7 to $8. Beware, a total scam, scammed, and a lot more. So it seems that this website cannot be trusted, so please do not enter in your information on this website, since your credit card or your card information might get stolen as well. And that is basically it, guys. So please do take care and exercise caution when buying anything online. And if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.